guys, in today's Taste of the Town, I'm here in Balmain village, Couva. We're just off the highway, and when you come and you're heading west, you'll see just opposite the Spring Village Hindu temple or the Hindu mandir. You'll see there are doubles vendors parked opposite the mandir. So I'm gonna try a few of their doubles and baigani and aloo pie, and I'll tell you guys what I think. Auntie, what are you making? Aloo pies? That's it? 4 pies here, please. Right. And then 2 pies with salt and pepper. Sweet salt and pepper? Yes. Any channel? So I tried baigani and aloo pie and doubles, and my favorite was the baigani and the aloo pie, not so much the doubles, but they have a really great product and they always have long lines, so you guys need to check them out. So thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all again. Bye.